The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Andrew, good morning, really? You missed it by about 12 hours there. Hey, Alpine. Not really. And hey, Kim. Oops. Everyone's having a great day. Markets today. Pretty much up, 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 pull back toward the end. And Q finished 12,560. Well, I'm sorry, the high was 12,556.60. Yeah, easy for me to say. 12,566. Pulled back a bunch there. Now we've been coming down mostly here since the new day started. ES hit a high of 41.50. Gold continued to bottom out, trying to recover now. CPI tomorrow, so probably a choppy night. So how's it been going, Andrew? Ultra Bond's been rising up. And crude actually broke above 80 today and hovering around 79. Natural gas continues to be low. BTC at 2170, 779. Yeah, something like that. Oh, awesome. See, I didn't even realize Alpine had a channel. Now I gotta go look that up. Yeah, there he is. 5,000 subscribers. Alpine, you still here? No longer active on your YouTube? And we're popping up here on NQ. I need to find what's our ATR? Yeah, I figured our ATR is really low. So we're going to find the regular NQ chart and not MNQ. And we're gonna have some fun. All I wanna do is have some fun. And I got a feeling I'm not the only one. So, bring up the stream on my phone real quick. Consider canceling tonight's stream. Feeling a little bit off today. Okay, there we go. Yep, as Nightbot's reminding you there, tomorrow is the last day of the Apex sale. We're rising up here on NQ. See what we can find here. Nice little bottoming out there at 12,520. Today was my 6th straight red day. And I'm starting to do some reevaluating. Eh, we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm not sure we're going to see much tonight because of tomorrow being CPI. I am seriously considering, guys. Hey, Avi. I'm seriously considering at this point, guys, potentially taking a break from MightyOxTrading. A little dip down. Nice little stick candle there. See if it tries to continue to head up. Streaming mostly. I think I need to just concentrate on trying to make this trading thing work. The channel, I'm getting more frustrated in the fact that,
I'm seeing, like other channels just absolutely blow by me that haven't been doing this as long as I have. Trading by Travis, absolutely great channel. He's been doing this 6 or 9 months less time, and he has double the subscribers I have. He has double the viewers I have. Bob Anderson just came on the scene 3 or 4 months ago. He's totally blown by me. I can't even get 100 views on my non-live content, and I putting the effort into it has just been. It's starting to just wear on me. I don't think I've improved any. I mean, like I said, I'm on my sixth straight red day. I am not seeing any money from it. I mean, I don't know. It's just like, I mean, don't get me wrong, and Travis stops in here, so I don't want it to seem like what does trading by Travis have that I don't have besides the fact that he's actually like profitable and I'm not? Yeah, he's blowing by me. He's getting 60, 70, 80 viewers at a time. He's getting 1,000 views a day. Matt LaRocco, who obviously I love, he's a great guy. He didn't even try. He just started uploading stuff to his YouTube channel. And Bob Anderson gives him a shout out. He's getting 1,000 views on his non-live content, and I can't even get 100. And it's like, I don't know. It's just frustrating to see that how much the channel itself has stagnated. And I look at it and like I wouldn't even be near where I'm at now without CFT's help. And CFT now apparently hates me for some reason. And it's like maybe I'm just not actually good at this content creator stuff because other people are just blowing me away that have been doing it for a shorter time. Well, Esteban, that's true. Yes and no. I do agree, but and I'm not again. I'm not putting anybody down, but the absolute biggest streamer in the future space blows accounts on a regular basis, but he's still the biggest streamer. And I'm not trying to put him down. It's tough to stream and trade at the same time. It really is. There's times I second guess my trades because I don't want to look stupid if it doesn't work out, or someone will say they're going the opposite way of the way I was thinking, so I second guess my entry. So it is really hard to trade and stream at the same time. But I mean, I'll tell you, and and who I'm talking about is Trades by Matt. And even he recently he took a break from streaming to reevaluate where he was at. I think he just started it up again today. But the difference between Trades by Matt and me is for some reason Trades by Matt, he gets thousands of views a day. So his YouTube income is probably half decent. I get $1 a day. And I never okay, and I mean I didn't start this to make money. The money should be coming from the trading. I never started streaming to try and get an income from the stream itself. But in that same token, if it's either taking away from my trading, and I don't think it's necessarily taking away from my trading because I don't trade that well when I'm not on the stream. But I gotta I gotta also figure out how to continue making money to survive. Since I no longer, I don't have sponsorships anymore that pay me anything and all that. Breaking through the 100 here and rising up. Oh, I agree. Avi, I do agree. I mean, I haven't checked to see what his adjustment is. Supposedly, he switched to micros, or was talking about switching to micros, I believe. So maybe he's changing his method. I don't know. And the thing is, I'm not in any way comparing myself to TVM. He's been at it a long time. He has the top step sponsorship. I'm pretty sure they pay him to stream. I'm not 100% sure about that. But I'm looking at Travis, and the fact that Travis just absolutely blew me away in terms of viewers. And he doesn't, as far as I know, he doesn't try and sell anything either. He seems like a decent guy. Heck, he's been here. He's donated to my channel. Um, and the fact that he just absolutely blew by me. I remember, when Travis first stopped in here one night, I went and checked out his channel. He was like at 800 subscribers, and I was like, go. I put his link here. I said, go give him subscriber. Get him up to where he can get monetized. And now he's at like almost double my subscribers, and I look in on his thing, his streams, and his amount of viewers is double mine. He caught on like wildfire. Taking this, maybe not. Really? No. Oh wow, that would have been bad. I almost just took 5 NQ. That would have been really bad. Unless it would have worked out. It wouldn't have blew the eval, but no. Change that. Well, I missed that move because I can't get the right. Yeah, that's the one I wanted, but I would have had this move. That's not that big of a move anyway, but the thing is, I'm a huge introvert. That's the thing. I mean, the fact that I'm streaming at all is a shock, and I'm just wondering if maybe I suck at content creation. Wait, what do you mean Travis does non-trading streams? Yeah, NQ taking off without me here because I couldn't get the right. Should have went with the 5. Oh yeah, Avi, I'm the type of person that would have trouble talking to you on the street or whatever. I am painfully shy. NQ trying to get back up to high a day after coming down like the entire session so far. I didn't check to see if we had any news this evening from Asia. Let's take a look at that. Hey, Kieran, how you doing? We have a New Zealand inflation forecast coming up in an hour. Avi, are you mixing up Travis and Greg's trading place, aka Weenie Trades? Yeah, Greg used to be a full-time streamer, 5 days a week. He's going down to just Mondays now. He's like affiliated now with somebody else with trading and does stuff for them. I'm not sure exactly what exactly. But yeah, he said there was there was no money in the streaming. He was making like it came out to be like $2 an hour, and this I guess someone offered to pay him to do something. I'm not sure what, and so he no longer he streams. He streams Mondays usually, and then every now and then he'll stream another day. That's okay. I've just I've never linked directly to Greg except for the first time he ever stopped in. I linked to Weenie on the day that was having his girlfriend's birthday celebration. That was just a bad day because he can get a little hyper, and he was hyper that day. But he's a good streamer once you get through the hyperness. But I mean, if I decide to close up shop, I will probably send everyone over to Travis. Or well, I mean, I can't send you all there, but I'll recommend everybody head over to Travis. NKD. All right, Kieran. Oh wow. Have a great night, Abby. See you tomorrow. I appreciate that, Avi. Kind of hanging here. 12,535. Trying to reverse after that move down. Got up to 12,542 and then whoosh. I mean, I guess not really that big of a whoosh. It's only 8 points, somewhere like a whoosh. Trying to come back down now. The 100 and the 20 are at the same spot, and I hate it when that happens. When they're tying knots with one another. It's interesting. Taking a short. Let's see. Using a 4 point. No, about a. We'll make it a 4 point stop. There we go. 4 point stop. So it'll come back down. Honestly, if it comes back up over that EMA, I'll probably get out anyway. And there she comes. Yep. We're getting out. Maybe. Maybe not. Sitting here, 12,534. I wanted to move down. There we go. Back to my entry. Nice little bullish engulfing there. But trying to come right back up on me. Maybe I should have taken that as a gift when it got back to my entry and gotten out. Here we're trying again. Just gives me a couple points here. I'll be happy, actually. Maybe I should just get out. Sitting right on my entry. The ask is one tick above. The bid is one tick below. Hey, Glitch. How you doing? Kinda. I mean, this trade's been playing out for the last 6 minutes. Hey, Crypticon. Well, I'm in a short left. Crypticon, it's kind of going kind of slow. I mean, I have a 4 point stop, and it's gonna come up for it, I think. Oh, maybe not. Right now, it's very slow, Crypt. We'll see what it does. Oh, there's a nice move down. There we go. Now you see those bands are creeping around 12, 528, 12, 529. Try to get maybe 2 points off. Ooh, whoa, out. I'll take it. That quick whip down and back up. 2 points. I took 40 bucks there. Not anything to write home about, but maybe a $36 winner after the commission. Probably should have stayed in, but after that price action, the way that whipped down and then right back up, we'll see if I chickened out too quickly there. I think I did. Looks like I made the right decision for now, at least. Just pop back up to over top of what my entry point was. Hey, trade together. Good to see you.
ATR right now is still only 2.5. Hey, Kevin. Uh, it's still continuing down, so I could have stayed in that trade and got more. And if this, this moving average, if that wouldn't have been tying knots there, I probably would have. But I just didn't like that current price action. But yeah, this would have ended up working for more. I got out too early. Nice, Kieran. Oh, wow, look at this go. Wow. Wow. So big move down here. Who knew? Yeah, with CPI tomorrow, absolutely. Depending what the number is, we either going to see it go up huge or down huge. What's the yen doing? Oops. And Q still trying to come down.
Down a bit sideways now. So you know what, I'm on N, not that it should matter any, but switch over to NQ instead of MNQ. Go back to NQ, MNQ, NQ, whatever I'm saying. I say. Go back to it, the micro tomorrow. I like Harry Potter glitch. Oops, I still have my Ninja chart up. I can always tell that because I use the caps lock key to bring that up and down as my hotkey. I got to start typing something and I'm in that caps lock on. I've seen the game. I don't game much, so no, but it does look good. Natural gas. It is rising up there some. The I do. There's a game I used to play a lot. If I had another monitor, I'd probably have it up. Just because it's a grindy game that and I got into the whole storylines and I've played it for years. Now I haven't played it in the last couple, but RuneScape. I'm sure everyone's heard of RuneScape. There's something about that game that keeps drawing me back. Nice, Huron. Great job. Whoa. Where did that come from? I mean, it's only 5 points, but wow. Boosh. Let's go take a look at NKD. NKD. Oh yeah, look at that nice move and beautiful bullish, bearish engulfing there. I'm sure the 1 minute chart looks ugly. Yeah, not too bad. Bitcoin dropping big. So after this, we came down, came back up, almost got back up toward its highs, and then whoosh, back down. Still has a ways before giving back yesterday. Nice Crypticon. Blue Sky is a new company. They're about 6 months old. Started by a former prop trader named Wall Street Cowboy. Cowboy Mike, whatever you want to call him. Funding partner with Phillips Capital. Um, they have no live sim. Once you pass the eval, you go right to a funded account. They have the most exchanges I've ever seen with a eval company. You you can trade ICE on the ICE exchange on eval, and then they have Eurex available on funded as well. No data fees when funded, even though it's a live account. They eat the data fees. I need to get the review up for them this week. I've been saying that for the last week. Get that review up probably Wednesday because I'll record it tomorrow evening. Popping back up here, so down to 12,516. Continue to move down. Nice Kieran. Yep, just coming on down, but like I said, it's got a long way to go to
the heck do I have on there that's giving me a shadow? I have some old crap on there. Super Trend, really? I need to clean up my charts. I haven't used Super Trend in like 6 months. Quick pop back up there, 6 points. Wow, big drop there on CL. Struggling to stay above 79. Great job, Crypticon. I've tried hundreds of different indicators. I mean, maybe dozens at least of different times. That's one thing I like about TradingView. You can try different things easy. You know, everything's right there. You don't have to install anything or anything like that. I Nice, Kieran. 15-minute candle high. All right. Up to the EMA. Nice move up. Sort of a roller coaster night. See if it comes back down. All right, Kieran.
And back down. Nope, back up, bouncing on, trying to bounce on the ZMA. If it comes up off the ZMA like that, I may take this long. It's kind of like indecisive right now. Hey, Jake. That kind of really kind of like up here, but it's not showing me that yet. Everybody, Jake is a swing trader in Forex, but he's now decided to jump in with day trading futures. He's been practicing over the last few trading days. Found out today that NQ can be a monster. He's a very good swing trader for Forex. Very slow price action right now. Now this is 6J versus the yen. This would have been a nice trade right here. I wasn't trading yet then, but could have got 16 ticks. Then nice little pullback. That wasn't too big of a candle. This one, I like that one. Right there with a nice little win. And I mean, this is technically also a candle. Ooh, didn't mean to move that. But I mean, technically, I was a trigger. I don't know. We'll see where that goes. Nice. Okay, trade together. Yep, I know, Jake, and that's good. Some people would just try and jump right in. I don't know who the heck would be so stupid to do that, like jump from stocks into futures right into a top step evaluation, thinking he knew how to trade. I don't know who would do that. Or it is an idiot. No, that was me, but you know. We are going nowhere fast right now. Crude's still coming? Nah, crude's doing nothing. Let's see what gold's doing. Okay, gold's choppy. Yeah. By the way, Jake, have you figured out yet that there is um, currency futures? You might be a lot comfortable with those. Like these are three of them. You have the pound futures, you have the Japanese yen futures, the euro futures. There's also the franc, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, a bunch of others. Okay, I was just making sure. We hadn't talked about them, so I wasn't sure. Hey, JC, how's it going? Oh yeah, definitely. It's going all right, JC. One so far for 2 points on NQ, $36 after commission. Got out way too early because I got out about here and it Popping back up. I was telling the people earlier, JC, uh, that there's a good chance that tomorrow I'm going to be announcing that I'm going to be taking a break from MightyOx trading. At the end, starting at the end of the week. I'm going to sleep on the decision, but that's going to be the most likely outcome. Yeah, and there's a couple evaluation companies that do allow Bitcoin. Most of them don't. But there is Bitcoin futures and there's Ethereum futures. Usually they have very high commissions though, the crypto futures. Yeah. I just it's a bunch of things, honestly, JC. One is the fact that, I'm still struggling with this trading thing. The whole 6 straight red days. It's starting to get embarrassing to constantly lose in front of a live audience. And the fact that, I look at my channel, I struggled to get to where I'm at. I wouldn't have gotten the amount of subscribers I have without CFT's constant help. And now it seems like CFT hates me for whatever reason. But, I would never have gotten there. I look at channels that started after me. Like Trading with Travis, he started like 9 months after I did, and he's double my subscribers, double the views I get, double the subscribers I've gotten. Bob Anderson, he just started a few months ago, and he's blown by me with subscribers. I can't even get 100 views on my videos, my non-lives, and it just seems like maybe I just need to focus elsewhere for now. It really hit home today. Matt LaRocco, who I love very much. He's a great guy. He's helped me out a lot. But he started posting stuff to his YouTube channel. I didn't even realize it. And he got one shout out from Bob, and he's getting 500 to 900 views on content that he's not even narrating. And I struggle to get 50. Right. Yeah, exactly. So without CFT, I probably would have never even hit 1,000 subscribers. And so maybe I'm just honestly not good at this content creator stuff. I mean, yeah, I have some loyal people, and I appreciate that very much. But to see these other channels just take off and me just continuing to just struggle for views, I'm thinking maybe it's just not where my focus should be. Patrick Whelan was blowing up. Wow. Yeah, Matt Matt posted a video 11 days ago and has 963 views because Bob Anderson mentioned his channel accidentally. Apparently, he wasn't supposed to even mention the channel. I'm not mad at Matt or anything. Obviously, but it just brought my attention to the fact that Matt posts up a 6-minute video that he doesn't even talk on, just shows the trade, and he gets 900 views. I put an hour into producing a video, and I can't get. I struggle to get 50. Matt's not buying views. That's totally organic. And no, Matt's not monetized. He didn't. I mean, that's the thing. Matt didn't even really want his channel. I didn't until YouTube recommended it to me today. I didn't even know he was posting content. No, it's non-live. It's just mostly off of a screen grab software that's just that he's recording from. Again, like this isn't anything. I was just surprised, Matt. I put a lot of effort into this stuff, and you know, like I said, it's not that I'm upset that Matt's getting views. I'll probably, if he wants me to, I'll promote his channel happily. He's the Apex link that posts up. His link's in there because he's helped me a lot. He's written my algos that I test. He's encouraged me. He's part of the mod team on the Discord. So it's not that I'm upset that he's getting views. It's just that the fact that of his videos with like no production to them is getting blowing up, getting 10 to 20 times the views that mine do. Well, thank you, Laughter. And I mean, honestly, streaming and trading is hard. And there are times I go to take a trade and then, I won't because I don't want to feel stupid because I just took a loss. I don't want to take another loss. Don't want to go down further. Or someone will tell me they're going the opposite way of what I was thinking, so I'll pull out depending on who that person is. And it just I don't know. If my streams were still sponsored with a stream, with an actual income source and things like that, then I probably wouldn't be considering this at this point. But I am, you know, I need to start focusing again on making money to get me by. Nice little bullish engulfing here, and I said earlier I never started streaming to make money. That was never the goal. But it's if I'm not ever gonna make this trading thing work, I need to start figuring, getting back to my old income stuff so I can, continue to push on there. And where am I supposed to get one of those, Crypticon? There isn't one indicator. Well, she failed 5 days ago. She posted she failed Top Step. So hey, it's, yeah, she ain't gonna collab with me. She has 36,000 subscribers. She has a video with 184,000 views. Holy crap. See, and I probably could get more stuff going with the channel, but I just like a lot of people use shorts. I mean, I see her shorts. Right, that sounded weird. If they have 12,000 views, shorts is a great way. But I have time issues and no help. We're kind of really stagnant here around this 12,524 area. That's true. She does have that advantage, Lafta. Uh, Crypticon, I would have to look at how to even do that. I'm not sure. I know when I'm on with Greg from Weenie Trades, he does a call on Discord and then activates the sound from his computer, I think. I mean, if someone wants to take over the actual live streaming, I'll be happy to make someone an admin, and they can, make the stream their own. Or, I mean, the other option would be to just start up the stream and no commentary from me, just be dead air, but the chart's up. And y'all can talk in the room. You can't do what, Crypticon? What's market talk? Oh, you mean like where I'm explaining what's going on? I mean, this is boring price action. Oh, I was a bit zoomed in there, but crude's doing some movement. Copper's had some nice movement. Probably looks better on a 5. Well, right, it's like I said, Crypt, it's not easy to stream and trade. And I mean, I couldn't imagine trying to stream and trading 18 contracts at once there, Crypt. Plus, don't you have to deal with kids in the morning and stuff, CryptoCon? Wow, you don't see this often. Look at this. These bands on NQ are no, I'm sorry, 4 points apart. It's unusual for you to see the Bollinger Bands get that close. I think I need to take those bands off because that looks kind of obscene. Alright, good luck. Where is NQ going? Nowhere right now. Whoa, Bitcoin just popped. Something popped the cryptos. Pop, go the cryptos, because the cryptos go pop. Gold's rising. Hey, John, how's it going? Hey, must have had fun, John. Wow. No one videoed it for you? All right, Kieran. Whoa, what? Hello, everybody. 38 people here at this time of night. Welcome. Feel free to say hi in the chat. I don't think I've ever seen that many people here at this time of night. Something weird's going on. Hey, Dave. Something really weird's going on. It says I have 322 views on this stream, which is be the most views I've had on any stream uh, in a few months. That's totally odd. So we're just hanging here. Remember, for those of you interested, that Apex flash sale ends tomorrow until the next one. Actually, there was a pretty big gap between the last Apex sale and this Apex sale. It was like 3 weeks, and I mean that's a while, and there's no obvious holidays now until like St. Patrick's Day. is still hanging at this 12,523 area. The new subscribers, welcome. Looks like we've gone up 3 subscribers tonight. Getting weird. Oh, there's a move down. Good call by Kieran again. I mean, it's a couple points. $12,520. So this technically right here was a trigger, but like nothing. This just looked ugly, and I didn't want to take anything. And this would have been a decent short here for a few points. But really, it's not giving us anything. Keep watching the yen. The yen would have reached profit target on that last trade as well. So this is the yen's the star of the night right now. Off the 5-minute chart, using my strategy, could have got 3 16 tick wins, and I think it's right, 16. Yeah, at $6.25 a tick, so 16 times 6, so just under $100 a trade. That was weird. Uh, we surged up to 38 people and then right back down to 21. Hanging around 520. Low of the session is here at 516.75. Reminder, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. For you, Crypticon, that means not going to Hooters. Make sure you go out and get your loved one something. There's new low of the session. That was a nice little move down there. Side menu, the left side menu, Crypticon. I'm assuming you're on a PC and not on a phone. Left side menu. Scroll all the way down to more from YouTube, and you want Creator Studio. Rising back up a bit. I'm 48, JC. Whoa, big rise up, 4 points. I mean, big considering it's like half that. Uh, Hold on, Crypt. Did you find it, Crypticon? Bob Anderson has good strategies. I actually have automated Bob Anderson strategies because I get those. Yeah, there you go. Crypt, and in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the create. Quickly back up to the EMA. to go live the first time Crypticon, you gotta indicate that you want to go live, and then they need to approve you. It takes a day or two. Yeah, there we go. There are 24 hours. Yeah, I don't know what exactly the verification is for. I don't know what they're verifying. Move back down here. Or maybe not. Up, down, up. That's awesome, John. That's great numbers. Nothing consistent. It hasn't, like, it's just staying in place. Goes up, goes down. But I admit I haven't really been putting the work into it to try and find, you know, there's probably good hours for it, and I just been running it 24/5. I need to do that, but just like not enough time in the day trying to get content up on the channel and trying to do that. I don't think it's anything like that, Crypticon. I'm not even sure. I think you'll be fine in 24 hours. Nice move down. So that would have been a good play right there as well. Probably stream for another half an hour and then we'll call it for the night. Down to 12,513. I think we're getting right into there. Just the next support. Support. Nice, Kieran. Good job. So, yep. Markets are coming down, Jake. Yeah. That's what I was seeing too, and I was doing the analysis of it. That Asia was the best. That went deep into those bands and bounced. I haven't put as much time into them lately, Burrow, because I've been trying to find time for everything, content creation, and trying to actually make money and all that other fun stuff. It's like I never have enough time. And we got a bearish engulfing, continuing to try and come down here. Depending on what I decide, this could be our last evening stream. Uh, I'm thinking about taking a break from MightyOxTrading. You're repeating yourself, Burl. Uh, Sorry for everyone that's already heard the explanation, but there's a few factors. One, the fact that I've had 6 straight red days. It's starting to feel kind of embarrassing to constantly be losing in front of a live audience. Um, it's starting to wear on me mentally. Plus the fact that I'm looking at other channels that, um, you know, like Trading by Travis, he started 9 months after me, and he has double the subscribers, gets double the views. Bob Anderson started like 4 months ago. He has double the subscribers. Matt LaRocco didn't even want a channel, and he's getting 10 to 20 times the amount of views I'm getting. On, I can't even, my non-live content, which I'm putting a lot of work into, doesn't even get 100 views. And I'm thinking I'm tired of being mediocre at everything, so I think I need to pull back and refocus on things. Kind of consolidating here at 12,514. This is that area that we saw here, this support. It's like 512 quarter was the low. It's bouncing a little bit. And John, it's not one bad day. It's the fact that, like I said, I'm on a streak of 6 straight red days. And it's been on my mind for a little bit. It's not just today. And I'm not even talking about quitting trading. I'm just talking about quitting streaming, quitting content creation for now. But I said I'd sleep on it. So we'll see how I feel in the morning. Before I gotta break the news to Ace. Yeah, but you would think that the fact that I have been streaming for 18 months, those videos would get a little bit more traction. And like I said, it's just trading with Travis has only been streaming for about 9 months now, and he has double my subscribers, and he gets double my views on his streams. And it's just like like he went live to, you know, actually he hasn't gone live in a couple of days, not sure why. But his live stream from 4 days ago got 1,400 views. I barely eke out 250. Well, because I mean, here's the thing, guys. First, like I've said, I never started streaming to make money. I never looked to, that wasn't the reason I started streaming. But if streaming is possibly affecting my trading and it's taking up time that I can be using to earn money in my, that from non-trading money, plus the time it's taking me to try and make the non-live videos that are getting zero traction, and all this isn't providing me with any type of stability in my personal life financially, then and like I said, the losing constantly, it's like streaming and trading is hard. It's like like I said earlier, I some of my hesitation. Now I hesitate when I'm not on stream too. So it's not streaming isn't the only problem. Sometimes I'll hesitate, especially after I start if I do lose two trades in a row, I start feeling really stupid. So I'll hesitate, not take the trades to get myself back into the game. Or like if my strategy calls for me to go short, and then somebody that I respect, someone that I know is a good trader, says the opposite thing, that they're going long there. Even if I'm just thinking short, then I won't pull the trigger on my strategy. So you know the goal has always been to make money from trading, not from streaming. The fact that I started making money from streaming was awesome with the sponsorships and share version and all that. But I expected that money to make things easier for me to start where so I could start getting profit from the trading itself. And the fact that I haven't seen anything yet, and that I spend so many hours on this on the weekends and afternoons charting and knowing that I should be able to make money with my strategy and I'm still not, is really really starting to wear on me mentally. I've been mediocre at everything my entire life, and this is just starting to feel like something else I'm never going to be good at. And then streaming, you know, I know a lot of you like my streaming and stuff, but seeing other people do so much better with less effort, less time, makes me just feel mediocre in that as well. And if I'm just feeling mediocre, my mental health is getting worse, and I'm not doing anything for myself financially, it's all starting to snowball. And we're still at 512 after all of that. We're still at that support from late this afternoon. This would have been a good entry for, at this point, we have to be only be going for 5 points. That would have been a good 5 points. This might be a good entry. Have been a good entry, I should say. down into the bands. Still doesn't want to get down lower than 512 here. Bouncing on the bands. Well, it's not my strategy. I know my strategy works. I just don't read it. Reading the markets, whether it's on a 1 minute or 5 minute chart, I see it afterwards. Live, I just don't. And my strategy really would be working well on a 5 minute, honestly. I mean, it might. That could, that could have been that. Yeah, for the most part, bro. And I've showed this before, but I can show it again. This is the ES. Now I just switched back to NQ, but I chart out each day. All these lines you see here are trade setups. All the purples are winning trades, and all the blues are losers. I believe this day was 31-10 if I had taken every setup. Now obviously you're gonna miss setups, and that's how every day is. You see way more purple than blue. It ends up being about a 67% win rate, something like that. It's between 60 and 70, depending on the day. If I took the setups, that's using both the crossovers and the engulfing candles. Now here, I mean, look at that. This is like one blue out of like 15 purples. That one's not. I didn't finish that. My computer got unplugged and it didn't save that day. I do this every, if I don't do it during the day of the actual day, then I do it on the weekends and I study it and I still can't pull the trigger. Hi, Ace. Burl, if it's NQ, it depends on the ATR. Well, both of them depend on the ATR. On ES, I was doing either 2x2 or 3x3. I moved to NQ so I could get her better than 1R. Well, that's a micro, Jake, and if you know that's not going to get me anywhere. Put it that way. I mean, if I did one micro here, I mean, one micro this whole night. This is an hourly chart. NQ. We've gone 547 to 517, so 30 points. That'll be $60, right? Yeah, that would be $60. I mean, yeah, but I remember I'm doing prop firm challenges. I don't want to be doing the same prop firm challenge for 6 months before I get funded. Estuan, this is the fourth strategy that I've had the same problem with. It's all in my head. It's just not. You could give me the best strategy, and it's just I can trade it fine on demo, Jake. It's just the real time stuff. I spent an hours this weekend doing replay on TradingView. As the ace, the reason we're having this conversation is that I've pretty much I said I'm going to sleep on the decision, but that I've pretty much decided to take a break from MightyOxTrading um, at the end of this week. And Ace, you're not supposed to take the dishes in the bubble bath with you. Or popping back down. Just hanging on that EMA. Nope. Denied. Nice bounce. Let's see what it wants to do here. We can explore that ace. Here's trying to come down again. Uh, we can explore that. I'm not quitting trading versus stopping the streams to try and focus on trading. And the fact that I also need to, still earn income because I don't have a trading income. Yeah, this is indecisive. This is driving me nuts.
I mean, my strategy says go short here, but let's. Okie dokie AC. AC? Oh my god, okie dokie ace. That sounded really weird. There's the top of the hour. Still hasn't decided what it wants to do. I'm just hanging on the EMA. Wow, Nightbot, you are just outdoing yourself right now. Well, she was downstairs this morning. She didn't even hear me. Popping up here. Have a good night, JC. See you in the morning. And that's why I don't do limit orders. I just tried to limit order in that and it went without me. Why did I try to do a limit order? I don't even know. But I kind of got a 50 bucks out of that. And pulling back down. So it would have been not much more than 50 bucks. Didn't break that EMA. But I stream for another 5 minutes and then we'll call it a night unless something exciting happens. Marker's just going nowhere. Looks like we might end the night up 1 for 1, up 36 bucks. I appreciate that, Kim, and I thank you very much.
Yeah, looks like everything's pretty much petered out. Even the yen. Interesting candle there. Wonder what happened. So we're gonna call it here for tonight. Do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back tomorrow. Remember, it's Valentine's Day, guys. If you haven't shopped already, you should. Hope everyone has a great rest of your evening, and we'll talk to you at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow for CPI Day. Have a good one. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.